welcome to On Campus Promotions' first edition of Challenge the Chief. This week's challenge is the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Woohoo! Our contenders this week are Charlie Edwards and Ollie Sidwell. So the rules of the game are you both have to put a marshmallow in your mouth. After each marshmallow you have to say Chubby Bunny. Put as many marshmallows in your mouth as possible and the winner wins. Go!
Go on, Ollie! Come on! Come on! You're getting paid to do this! Can we get, shove them in, you can press them down. Go on, Charlie. Push them in. That's it. Come on. Don't mind it comes.
You can do it, Charlie! Come on!
Oh, you can get that one in there. There's at least room.
Do it, Charlie!
Look at that. Oh look, Charlie's on the edge.
She's still going, yes!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So elegant.
Is this like Chubby Bunny? Got him right. Put it in. That's so weird. Are they going in anymore? Wow. Oh, do the plate. Finish the plate, Ollie. Finish the plate.